Only the most mature fruits are selected to ensure a high fat content for the cream. Efficiency starts in the field, where bulk collection readies the harvest for transport.
Removing the outer husk reduces weight and prepares the nut for the factory floor. At Factory Systems Pro, the journey of premium coconut milk begins in the heart of the grove.
Thousands of units are processed daily to maintain a continuous production flow. Every movement is calculated to prevent bruising of the inner white meat. With the harvest secured, the raw materials are ready for the facility. Logistics play a vital role in keeping the Factory Systems Pro line running.
Field testing ensures the moisture levels meet our strict factory standards.
A practiced ear can detect the perfect harvest by sound alone. This is the first step of the automated transition from farm to factory.
Preserving the coconut water is an essential byproduct of the milk process. Every drop is captured through a closed-loop system to ensure purity. Mechanical precision replaces manual labor for maximum safety and speed. Only pristine white meat is permitted to enter the grinding phase. Cleanliness is the foundation of the Factory Systems Pro philosophy.
The raw harvest is now ready to leave the field extraction point.
Verification is the second step in our rigorous quality control protocol.
Every shipment entering Factory Systems Pro is logged for full batch traceability. Precision at the intake ensures we know exactly how much raw material enters the line.
Phase 1 is complete. The raw fruit now enters the industrial processing zone.
High-capacity transport systems allow us to move massive volumes without delay. Contamination control starts before the product even reaches the clean room. The receiving dock is the threshold where the field meets the factory.
Seamless infrastructure at Factory Systems Pro ensures a rapid unloading process.
Moving the product into a controlled environment is critical for maintaining freshness. Our airlock systems prevent outside contaminants from entering the processing zone.
Digital tracking allows us to monitor every coconut's journey through the plant.
This secondary cleaning phase removes any dust acquired during the transport phase. Every surface is treated to ensure the highest food safety standards.
Removing excess moisture prevents dilution during the upcoming extraction phases.
Vertical transport saves floor space and prepares the product for gravity-fed processing. Even distribution is key to preventing jams in the high-speed machinery below.
Gravity-fed systems are the most efficient way to move materials between stages.
Constant monitoring ensures the factory line never runs dry. The transport phase is complete. Now, the transformation into coconut milk truly begins. Every square foot of this facility is optimized for efficiency and safety.
Professionalism starts at the door, with a team dedicated to excellence.
Beyond the machines, the scale of our operation defines our commitment to global supply.
High security protocols ensure that only authorized personnel manage the production line.
Safety is the foundation of every process at Factory Systems Pro.
We prevent external contaminants from ever reaching the factory floor.
Hygiene is non-negotiable when handling raw food products.
Proper gear is mandatory for every person entering the production zone.
This corridor acts as the artery connecting every specialized department.
Maintaining air quality is vital for the longevity of our coconut products.
Strategic oversight allows for real-time monitoring of the entire workflow.
A constant stream of supplies keeps the Factory Systems Pro gears turning.
Sustainability is key. Even the waste is repurposed for fuel or fertilizer. Readiness for any situation is built into our daily routine. Environment for the fruit.
Data-driven decisions maximize the output of every coconut harvest.
We are now inside the heart of the operation, where the real work begins.
Systems are online. Phase 3 is complete. We move to the cleaning and sorting line.
The first step in the facility is a deep cleansing immersion to remove field dust. Agitation ensures that every crevice of the coconut shell is thoroughly rinsed. A secondary high-pressure blast removes even the smallest stubborn particles. Even with advanced tech, the human eye remains a vital part of our quality assurance. Digital precision allows Factory Systems Pro to grade thousands of units per hour. Categorizing by size allows for more efficient mechanical de-shelling in the next phase.
Only the most uniform coconuts proceed to the extraction phase.
Balanced distribution prevents bottlenecks in our high-volume production line. We use non-chemical sterilization to keep the coconut meat as natural as possible.
Dry surfaces are essential for the mechanical grips used in Phase 5.
Every detail matters when the goal is a pure, creamy final product. Proper orientation is critical for the automated extraction tools. Real-time weight data helps us calculate the expected yield for every batch.
Continuous sampling ensures that the quality remain consistent throughout the day.
This final barrier ensures the cleanroom environment remains sterile.
We are now entering the high sanitation core of the Factory Systems Pro plant. The preparation is over. It is time to extract the heart of the fruit.
Initial sorting is complete. Phase 4 ends as we move into core processing.
Precision de-shelling at Factory Systems Pro ensures the meat remains undamaged and pure.
Every byproduct is diverted for secondary use, leaving only the premium white meat.
Removing the testa is essential to achieving the snowy white color of our coconut milk.
Our specialists verify the purity of the raw material before it enters the grinding stage.
At this stage, the coconut is at its most fragrant and nutrient-dense state.
Breaking down the cellular structure is key to maximizing the milk yield. Controlled temperature water helps release the natural fats and oils from the meat. Proper maceration is the secret to the rich mouthfeel of Factory Systems Pro products.
Temperature precision prevents the natural coconut oils from separating prematurely.
This powerful pump system keeps the production moving toward the extraction phase. The screw press uses mechanical force to separate the milk from the fiber. Every gram of coconut is utilized, ensuring a zero-waste process at our facility. Centrifugal force removes any microscopic solids left after the pressing phase. The raw coconut has been successfully transformed into liquid milk. Phase 5 is complete. The coconut milk is now ready for final transformation. In the transformation stage, raw liquid is refined into the creamy milk our customers expect. Gentle agitation is the first step in maintaining a perfectly uniform texture. Manual checks confirm that the coconut milk has reached the ideal thickness for processing. Standardization ensures every batch of Factory Systems Pro milk is identical in quality. These natural additions prevent the coconut milk from separating during its shelf life. Homogenization is the secret to the silky smooth mouthfeel of our premium milk.
Time and temperature are strictly controlled to guarantee product safety.
By reducing fat size at a molecular level, we achieve permanent emulsion.
Rapid heating eliminates any potential pathogens while preserving the fresh flavor.
Fast cooling locks in the natural aroma of the freshly pressed coconut. Every batch is sampled mid-process to ensure the transformation is successful.
At Factory Systems Pro, the texture is just as important as the taste.
Automated routing prevents cross-contamination between different product grades. Automated cleaning ensures that every new batch starts in a perfectly sterile environment.
Our silos act as a buffer, ensuring the packaging lines always have a steady supply.
With the transformation complete, the coconut milk is stabilized and ready for the line.
Clear.
Human verification remains the final word in our sanitization process. Phase 6 is complete. Now, the milk enters the world of high-speed automation.
Automation begins with precision handling, ensuring every container is ready for the high-speed line. Even in a clean room, we take no chances. Every bottle is deep cleaned before it ever touches the milk. Our linear filling system can process hundreds of units per minute with zero waste.
Volumetric sensors ensure that every bottle contains the exact same amount of premium product.
Oxygen is the enemy of freshness. We replace it with inert nitrogen to extend shelf life.
This tamper-evident seal is the final barrier protecting our coconut milk. Mechanical torque control guarantees a leak-proof seal for every unit. We pressure test every single unit to ensure it reaches the consumer in perfect condition.
Branding is applied with high-speed precision, wrapping the bottle in the Factory Systems Pro identity.
Controlled heat creates a seamless, professional finish for our packaging.
Traceability is paramount. We know exactly when and where every bottle was produced.
Advanced imaging technology ensures that Factory Systems Pro products are the safest on the market.
Our facility builds its own shipping containers in real time to match the line's speed.
Robotics eliminate the strain of manual packing while increasing throughput tenfold.
Accuracy in shipping prevents inventory errors before the product leaves the dock.
Phase 7 is complete. The bottles are filled, sealed, and packed for the finishing touches.
Secure packaging ensures our coconut milk arrives at its destination in pristine condition.
Precision labeling is the first step in ensuring global logistics accuracy. Every case is scanned to verify that the batch data matches our digital inventory. Tension-controlled wrapping is essential for securing the product for long-haul shipping.
A waterproof top cover ensures the coconut milk stays dry in any environment.
Dual-axis strapping provides the ultimate structural integrity for the load. Reinforcing the corners allows for higher stacking in the storage warehouse. This digital birth certificate contains the entire production history of the batch. Every pallet must meet the Factory Systems Pro finishing standard before release. Driverless technology ensures a smooth, collision-free transition to storage.
Phase 8 is complete. Our product is finished, secured, and ready for final testing.
High-density storage allows us to manage thousands of tons of product with ease.
Entering the warehouse marks the transition from production to distribution.
The first test is human. We ensure the natural fragrance and snowy white color meet our brand standards.
Precise titration ensures our fat content is exactly where it needs to be for culinary perfection.
Maintaining the correct pH level is vital for the natural preservation and flavor profile of the milk.
Safety is paramount. Every batch is screened for pathogens to guarantee consumer health.
We measure the dry matter to calculate the total nutritional density of the batch.
The bricks test confirms the ripeness and quality of the original coconuts used in the batch.
We monitor our products long after they leave the line to ensure peak performance over time.
Time-tested incubation is the final barrier against any microbial contamination.
Our testing goes beyond basics, ensuring zero presence of heavy metals or contaminants. The final logistical chain is activated once a batch of coconut milk is cleared for departure.
Precision retrieval systems ensure the oldest stock moves first for maximum freshness.
Staging allows for a final visual audit before the product enters the shipping container.
Every scan is logged in real time, updating the Factory Systems Pro inventory.
Our docks are the gateway between the factory and the global market. Maintaining the cold chain is vital for preserving the delicate flavor of fresh coconut milk. We take no risks. Every load is secured to prevent shifting during transit. Strategic loading ensures weight is distributed evenly for safe road transport.
Security seals guarantee that the coconut milk remains untouched until it reaches the buyer.
Clear documentation is the final step in our professional dispatch protocol. Another shipment of premium coconut milk begins its journey to consumers worldwide. Efficiency in the yard ensures the factory never stops moving. Real-time data keeps Factory Systems Pro at the cutting edge of supply chain management. From a hard brown shell to a creamy liquid, the transformation is complete. Scalability and precision are the hallmarks of every Factory Systems Pro facility.
And this is how modern factories produce coconut milk from start to finish.
Building the future of food processing, one coconut at a time.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.